So there we are, that's our sprouts, pancetta, bacon lardons or ham, chestnuts and a little lemon zest. Fantastic. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're doing sprouts, bacon lardons or pancetta, depending what you have, and chestnuts. We're going to throw it all together, quickly stir fry it and serve it up. So easy, with a little drizzle of lemon juice and some lemon zest. Come on. Oil, a little bit of olive oil in that pan. Got a little bit of a flame on. Fantastic. Bacon lardons, ham, pancetta, anything that you're using in there. Stir fry, little bit of colour. If it's got fat on, crisp it up. Fabulous. Straightforward colour on your meat. So when you've got that lovely little bit of colour in there, out. That's left us some flavour in that pan from what we're cooking there. Fantastic. Garlic in there. Now take the rawness out of the garlic as usual, don't burn it. As soon as it tinges, we're going in there with the sprouts. Sprouts are steamed sprouts. In we go. There's a link on the channel right now for how we steam the sprouts. In there, a little bit of a colour on there if we can. Now we're not trying to blacken them, we're not trying to brown them up too much. We get a little tinge on there. Super. Chestnuts in there. Cooked chestnuts, leave some whole, smash some up. We want chestnuts all the way through. Just give them a little warming through there. Already looking very, very festive. I'm going to do a little bit of salt and pepper. I'm using sea salt. We might put a little bit over at the end too. In there, a little bit of pepper, nice little turn over, just turn it over, beautiful. Back in there with that ham or pancetta or bacon, whatever you're using. In with your lemon juice. That's going to give it a little bit of freshness in there. Just give it a little cooking so the lemon juice goes on everything. Only a little, half a minute, no more. In there with a little lemon zest, and save a little bit for garnish. That's going to give it that freshness, brighten it up. Flame off, serve up. On there, a little bit of sea salt, tiny bit of pepper, just to spruce it up a bit. and some lemon zest. So there we are, that's our sprouts, pancetta, bacon lardons or ham, chestnuts and a little lemon zest. Fantastic. Come on. Come on, here we go. Oh, I love the chestnuts. Sprouts. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Sprouts and lemon zest work very well. And our bacon lardons. Fabulous, fabulous. I better not eat anymore. Let's put it on the table. So there you go. That's our sprouts, pancetta, bacon lardons or ham. Whatever you're using. Chestnuts, a bit of lemon zest. All freshened up. Oh, fantastic. So don't forget, if you like what we're doing, share with your friends. Tell them how easy this is to make. I mean, come on, it's ridiculously easy with the sprouts, how we've cooked the sprouts already. It all comes together within a few minutes. It's delicious, it's fantastic as a side dish, it looks good on the table. If you do like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ding, ring that bell. Catch you in the next video. Just amazing.